In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning PowerPoint presentations with ChatGPT in just a few minutes. If you've ever struggled with designing slides, writing content, or figuring out what to include in your presentation, this method is going to save you a huge amount of time. We'll go step by step from generating the presentation to downloading and editing it inside PowerPoint. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to chatgpt.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the ChatGPT homepage, you're ready to generate your presentation. Now here's where the magic happens. In the chat box, type a clear and specific prompt. For example, you can type, "Create a 3-slide PPT on India," like this. You can also be more specific by adding details such as include a title slide, bullet points, and a conclusion slide. The more detailed your prompt, the better your presentation will be. After typing your request, press Enter and give ChatGPT a few moments to generate the presentation. It will automatically create structured slide content for you, including headings and bullet points. Depending on the version and features available, it may even generate a downloadable PowerPoint file directly. Take your time and review what ChatGPT creates. If you want changes, you can simply type something like, "Make it more detailed," add images suggestions, or use a more professional tone. You can refine the output until you're completely satisfied. This is one of the biggest advantages of using ChatGPT for presentations. You can instantly improve and customize your slides without starting from scratch. Once you're happy with the result, look for the Download option. Click on Download to save the PowerPoint file to your computer. The file will usually download in .pptx format, which works perfectly with Microsoft PowerPoint. After the file is downloaded, go ahead and open it on your computer. When you first open the presentation, you might see a security warning at the top that says Enable Editing. This is completely normal for downloaded files. Simply click on Enable Editing so you can start customizing your slides. Now you can fully edit the presentation inside PowerPoint. You can change the design theme, adjust fonts, add transitions, insert images, include animations, or modify the layout to match your style. Even though ChatGPT generates the content, you still have full creative control over the final look. This combination of AI-generated structure and your personal design touch is what makes your presentation truly stunning. If you want to make your slides even more impressive, consider adding high-quality images, icons, charts, and consistent color schemes. Keep your text concise, avoid overcrowding slides, and use visuals to support your key points. Remember, a stunning presentation is not just about information, it's about clarity and design. And that's it. That's how you can create stunning PowerPoint presentations with ChatGPT quickly and easily. From generating the content to downloading and editing the file, the entire process takes just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and powerful tech guides. Let me know in the comments what kind of presentation you want to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.